Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fix the login failed error in Claude 2026. Seeing a login failed message in Claude doesn't mean your account is gone. As you can see, this is the error you might be encountering. It says auth request failed. That's authentication request is failed on Claude in the internal server error. Now, usually, this error is common in 2026 and caused by simple issues, so let's fix it step by step. The first thing you want to do is to double check your email. Make sure no spelling mistakes, correct email domain, and correct capitalization if applicable. You can do that by logging out, or before you log out, you can check your credentials and verify their eligibility. The second thing you want to do is to reset your password. If logins keeps failing, click Forgot Password and check the spam and junk folder and create a new password. I'm gonna show you it like this. I'm gonna open a new like this. And I'm gonna click on Enter. And as you're in the login page, you can use and check your email, etc. And if it doesn't, you're gonna enter and click on Forgot Password or create a new password. And then try logging in again. You can also disable VPNs or add blockers. VPNs and aggressive blockers can interfere with authentication. Temporarily turn them off and retry. Then check Cloud service status. Sometimes the issue isn't you. Cloud servers may be temporarily down due to updates or maintenance. Also log out everywhere if you're logged in on multiple devices. Log out from all sessions and restart the app and log in again. A login failed error looks serious, but in most cases it's just a temporary or technical issues. Following these steps will fix the problem for almost all users in 2026. And if you like this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe and leave a comment below the video if you have further questions about this topic. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.